Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porgy Tech, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Spigen Liquid Crystal case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, but before I get into this unboxing, this is for the 13 Pro Max, the Spigen Liquid Crystal case. But if you have a 13 mini, 13 or 13 Pro, this video will help you out as well, because it's gonna pretty much look the same on the phone, and I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can purchase the case for any of those iPhone 13 models that I mentioned. Okay, so here we go. We have the case right here. It says it's a crystal clear case. All right, and that's for the 13 Pro Max that I have here, the graphite phone. So without further ado, we're just gonna jump into this, unbox the case, and go over some of the details. Okay, and this case right here, this is the case. And if you're interested in this case, the price is gonna run you $14.99 on Amazon, and it does have a 5% off coupon where you can apply that to your checkout. Okay, so let's put the box aside for now, and then we're gonna jump into unboxing this case, get it out of the plastic. All right, so it's a simple TPU design. As you can see how flexible it is, it's really soft. All right, you can pretty much bend it a lot, but protection wise it's not gonna offer too much protection. I think this case right here is mostly for style. Okay, and it does have the anti-yellowing coating on here as described, as listed by Spigen. So it comes with some cards here inside as well, but pretty much sure those are not much important to us. It shows you that you can pretty much clean it with a wet cloth or something, which is recommended, and it seems as if they do offer you a cleaning wipe here in the package as well. Okay, and then put that aside, and let's go over the case. It has a regular cutouts here, which is the power button cutout, volume up and down, your silent switch cutout here, speaker grill, charging port, and on the corners here we do have some bumpers to offer you some protection just in case the phone falls on the corners. Okay, and your camera bump here has a lip here that protects your camera or cameras, because we have 3 of them on the phone. So if your phone falls on the back, or if you slam your phone down on the surface, it doesn't damage your camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this case on, and let's see what it looks like and feels like. So here we go. Looks pretty nice. Tap this a little bit, see how it sounds. And the bumpers, I don't think that's gonna do much for your phone, to be honest, but it does have a nice clean look on the phone. Shows off the color of the phone really nice. The camera bump is nice and uniform, has a little lip that goes over the bump as I mentioned before. So if you happen to put your phone down on the surface hard, or if your phone falls down on the surface, it does offer protection for your cameras. Okay, also the screen is the same thing here, where you have a lip that goes over the screen to protect your screen just in case you put it down, you slam it down on a surface, or it does accidentally fall on the face on a flat surface, because I'm sure if something sticks up, it's gonna go right on the screen, which would be an unfortunate situation. But as far as a flat surface, it does offer protection for your screen. Okay, it has the regular cutouts here on this bottom for your speaker grill and your charging port. The volume button, really nice and soft and clicky. Okay, and your volume up and down here, really nice and easy to press. No, you don't have to put on too much force here to get those buttons to respond. Power button is the same as I mentioned before. Your silent switch cutout is nice, easy access, so you don't have to worry about that. You do have the Spigen logo here on the left. Okay, and on the back, really nice case. It does have a little texture look to it, as you can see in the, I'm not sure if you could see this, guys, but it's not that it's a clear case, but it does have like some lines designed in here that you can see. Not sure if you could see that on camera, but it's there. All right, But if you get this far into the video and you like what you saw or what you're seeing so far, please consider subscribing, turn your notification bell on to get notified for my next upload. And most of all, hopefully this video helps you out if you're in the market looking to purchase this case or just looking for a nice simple case for your iPhone. Hopefully this video helps you out in making your decision. And again, I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can go ahead and purchase this case if you're interested. If it's gonna be there for the iPhone 13 mini, 13 Pro, and of course the 13 Pro Max. Okay, so let's take a nice 360. Here's how it looks from the top. All right, from the side here, and we're gonna turn it around to the bottom, to the other side, from the back, and here's how it looks from the front. All right, so hopefully this video helps you out if you're looking for this case. So thank you for watching again, guys. Peace.